Good morning. I prefer a line chart on the pre-market open. So what we are looking is we are looking for this has made an up move and this has made a down move, and it seems that it has completed an ABC. Okay. So let me take a polyline. It has made a B, C. It seems, but when you count like Krishna, can it be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4? And the answer is yes. 1, 2, 3, and deep 4, and this is 5. Answer is very much yes. But we have a different way of looking into it. See, what we look is basically, see, it has completed its move. Okay, let me take the tool. So when it has completed its move, so what we say is that okay, it has ये इसका तो हो गया है पूरा काम. So this is ended, and this is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after 5, it has made an impulse over here. So I'm sorry, I'll select some different color. It has made an impulse from this to this. So now it is making ABC correction, and we are looking for one more impulse. This is an ideal understanding on the pattern recognition. Okay. So, but when you go on 45 minutes and you will see, oh, it has made a 5 waves and now it is going to correct. Yes, it is going to correct. And yes, it is going to correct. At least, for instance, what I'm trying to say is that, one second, why this is happening. Okay. At least for instance, let me take this into this level and put this into an 38.2%. So what happens in FNO, when you are trading in FNO, you know that you are going to get this much of money. All you need to do is stay with the market with the exact this thing. Now it has made a 1 correction, 2 correction, and it is already done now. So we need to wait for the market to pull back. So pull back in the sense, so let me go to the candlestick. We need some sort of pullback in this, some sort of pullback. Okay, it is slowing down. So that pullback has to go somewhere, it has to gap up somewhere at 0.5%. So what happens is, we get which we call it as a blue line special, and when we get this 4214, we look for the reversal basically. It may come to 4214 or it may go to the 4228. We will wait for the reversal to happen. The reversal of the candle should ignore the entire green candle. So that should be the reversal. Suppose this bar is a reversal bar comparing to this candle. Okay. So that should be the reversal bar, and what we are looking is, what is the lot size in this? Is 175. What is the lot size? Is 175. So even though it's ideal understanding that if you want to go with this, I am taking much of time. So this is your stop, that is 43 points, and you have a 1:2. What happens if it gaps down? Okay, let's consider it gapped down today and went up here. Still we are going to sell it here, stop, close above, and we are going to get this entire drop. So when I am planning any trades, I am planning for the larger outlook. The larger outlook on this is, when I come to 75 minute, is I want to see this is the impulse and I want to see the same impulse over here. So this is the larger outlook. So when any analyst speak about the FNO trades and other things, the larger outlook must be considered before you can even put the money in. Okay. So this is what we are looking. Even if it gaps down, we are waiting for the price to pull back to 42, at least 42, 42.10 or 42.15. So then we will look for the short sell on the reversal basis, that is on 15 minutes. You get this? Somebody asked me yesterday about how do you take a trade. When I explained the pre-market open, it's already 5 minutes, but I'm still going on this. So let me take Bharat Petroleum. Yes, Bharat Petroleum dropped very hard, and in fact, I did say that we don't need Bharat Petroleum breaking this low, because what happens is A, B, C can happen and then it can start going up. So I was looking for a consolidation phase of consolidation over here. So yes, the pain is true that when we follow the rules, we follow the rules in a very distinctive way. I mean, we don't want to enter in the market without knowing it, and sometimes we will lose the business, and that is true. अच्छा खासा ट्रेंड हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं. इट इज a 2% मूव. दैट मीन्स अराउंड about 8 points. That means around about 15-20,000 rupees in a single day in a FNO. But because we follow the certain rules, what happens is it can still go up. This can become A, B and C. If you see, it is just at 127. It can still go up. So we need a consolidation. Even if it is goes up, then make a consolidation, then goes up. We need a break up the fractal to enter this. And you will be surprised, we may enter at somewhere here only. And our target is just based on the 75 minutes. And if you look into the target, it has made a, I will go with this pattern log A, B and it is C. So now we are going for this. Target is this. The larger target is this. The immediate, it is around about 10% more. This is 10% more and it is 20 points. 20 points means around 50,000 rupees for every 1.25 lakh investments. So this is how we calculate and we take a risk going with the trend. Alright. So next, I'll just, I think Mencken Pharma has pulled up and then pulled down and have made some lot of this thing. See, we wanted this to break, okay, and now it is what is happening is it has made a B and we are looking for C. Once the C is made and if there is any reversal like this, please see. So we are going to sell it, we will sell it for this particular length. When it comes to this level, we will put stop over here, somewhere here. Our stop will be 20 points, 10 points or 20 points. We will see whether it consolidates over here. We will leave it as it is. Then once the consolidation breaks, it will come to this level. Once when it comes to this level, we will start looking for covering our short sell. This is important because what I am trying to say is that if you know how to trade, there is no imagination line here. There is no imagination line here, and if you see here, this was a consolidation and it made a huge this thing, then it made a consolidation and it broke down. This was a consolidation. The consolidation basically gives you in a comfort zone where you can make you can take a comfortable trade, assuring that this consolidation will break downward. And in the upward side, this is the consolidation. In the upward side, this is the consolidation. This is the consolidation. And this is the consolidation. And this is the consolidation. And what happens is when the market is about to make a turnaround, it starts making multiple consolidations. And then we know that it starts making multiple consolidation. That means there is no liquidity in the market. So something is exhausted. So that is how we see this as an ABC, and we work on the A, pattern B, and we will book somewhere at pattern C here. And how much is this business? This business will be, say for instance, on the first stage it is 124 points, and from the second stage it is around about 152 points. And what is the lot size over here? The lot size is 225. You can make around 50,000 rupees. with a 1.5 lakhs और जो भी है इसका margin. So you need, and the one more question was how fast you can learn. The fastest way you can learn is 3 years. The fastest way, because if you follow the rules, you will learn in 3 months. Now understand my simple message. If you follow the rules, you will start making money in 3 months. But if you want to learn the market, it is the fastest way to learn the market is 3 years. 3 साल लगेंगे आपको मार्केट को समझने के लिए, लेकिन आप रूल्स फॉलो करेंगे, 3 महीने के बाद आप अपना कमाई शुरू कर दोगे. Without trying to understand or without trying to justify what is your trade, you just follow the rules. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.